want to enhance your coding with AI? Let's download CodeRabbit. You can download it directly from the browser, so make sure you have downloaded Web Catalog first. Now, open the Web Catalog and search for CodeRabbit. Don't worry, Web Catalog is legal and secure. Now, once you find it, tap on Install and your installation will proceed immediately. Once it's installed, tap Open and you can log in or sign up to CodeRabbit. If the download is slow or fails, check your internet connection. Are you excited to use AI in coding? Let us know in the comments. And that's it, CodeRabbit is now ready to go. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.